This is the day in the life. This is what we're doing.
Just woke up. I have a full day. Here's Toti. Come here, yeah. Every morning, I usually get up. I usually get my pre-workout together, so let me do that. I think I'm addicted to this stuff because I just get so tired if I don't have it, but this is the amino lean with Sara. And you're wondering what is next to me. I am going to unbox this for you in a little bit, but we got a delivery. Pop-up bagels, our favorite. Did a collab with Blue Moon. Usually Michael, my husband, comes with me, but he is going into the office today because he has a lot of meetings. Right up. Hey, buddy. It'll be way too cold if you don't wear your... I am dressed for the day. I just got this dress from Mango on Black Friday sale and it is so cozy. Like, look at that, sorry, my closet. Good morning. Yesterday we got the most amazing package from Blue Moon and the one and only pop-up bagels. All right, let's give her a dip. Right in there. I wasn't expecting to like the cream cheese, but I'm into it. It has this subtle orangey flavor.
Are you ready for another walk?
With little Toti, here he is, peeing away. And I'm about to head into the city to meet at a new place, well, kind of new, just reopened. It's the La Relais Entrecote. It's freezing cold out. And then we're gonna go, oh, Toti's stopping to poop, so signing off. Naturally, we are first in line. Me, Sara. Okay, I'm 10 minutes late. Carly's on her way.
Medium, blue, rare, medium, and well done.
So I'll go rare, please.
Rare. Okay, rare.
Rare.
You rare?
Do 2 and 2. Medium.
Yeah. 2 rare, 2 medium.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they give you this salad. It comes with it. There's salad with walnuts and mustard sauce, and then you have just really nice spaghetti. So, yeah, we're just snacking on salad. There's walnuts in here.
Sister salads.
It's a little wilted, but not bad. It is bustling in here now. We are started on our little apps, and this one just reopened on 54th and Lex. But me and Sara went years ago, and it was great.
In Soho.
Yeah, to the one in Soho, and they closed, but we're gonna see if it's still good.
The fries are kind of bland. There's a thin little fry in there.
Thereafter.
Piece of fun.
All right, I'm going to hit you with the perfect bite. Steak, fries. All you can eat forever and ever and ever. But they need a little sauce.
Or that sauce. This one's gluten-free.
We got 2 desserts. We have flourless chocolate cake with like a squishy sponge. And then we have this with meringue, layered with chocolate. Taking videos for our TikTok and Instagram.
The sound of the meringue is like, oh.
We ate our
Oh my God.
Wait, it's gonna pick it up.
Waiting. Please hold.
New York City difficulties. Can you give me your best French accent and say it, Sara?
Le relais, la trico.
De
Venice, le ran. That's oui.
A nice meal. It's $34.95. So the whole meal is $34.95. You get 2 rounds of steak, 2 rounds of fries. You get a salad. You get bread.
I don't know that. Yeah, you get a nice little baguette. We all had leftover steak and frites on our first round, and they came and brought us a full second round, like 2 full dishes of servings. It's not like you finish your first round and then you get 3 pieces of steak and like a handful of fries. You get a full new plate.
Overall, I don't think you can beat that price point for the amount of food you get. I think it's a little bit busy if you go at peak times, but I'm a fan.
Look, these smell really good because they have a nest on it. See it? I do that.
Now we were just right near the plaza, decided to be tourists and just go check out the Christmas vibes.
Right there on the left.
Oh, it's big. Sarah says it's her favorite neighborhood in all of New York.
I would live in Times Square if I could afford it.
Hola, amigos. Bobby Flay is over there. We're gonna go say hi.
It's over there on the phone. I'm gonna go see that.
So just to explain what we're doing here at Mercado Little Spain, we are doing a partnership with Hudson Yards. So they plan this whole day. They're giving us a tour of the market. Then we're gonna go to Milo's Wine Bar and have some light bites. We're promoting their Christmas just like activation. So they have a Santa show we're gonna go see.
Spain, we opened in March of 2019. It's a big dream of Chef Jose Andres to New York City. So when he came to US like 35 years ago, he was dreaming to come back to New York.
Mercado Little Spain. We have been getting a tour all around from these lovely guys here. And if you look over there, maybe I'll zoom in, you could see Bobby Flay, who we spoke to, who recognized Tessa. And we were freaking out because we love him. Uh-oh, she's in charge of the oh, she's going right in the water with it. It's not gonna move. I am reporting on the news at Hudson Yards. Here Sara is. She is severing the octopus. It has paprika and olive oil. It's beautiful.
Beautiful. Wow.
Look at all of our snacks. We have this meat empanada. We have croquettes with cheese and chicken. These are perfect. We have octopus and potatoes. Oh my god, more potatoes, the papas bravas, and this stunning Iberico.
It's getting so hot.
Our table is full. He also brought over this ham and cheese sandwich. It looks perfect. He said it was his favorite snack after school. And a smash burger made with Iberico pork. All right, this is just a standard table situation. We are gonna definitely take some with us. He did blast us with food, but obviously we can't finish all of this, so we'll probably take some home with us or give it to someone if we see them that might be hungry.
They're called chuchos. We got these filled with strawberry cream, and the chef says these change our lives. Okay, the classic Spanish churros with the deep, oh, this is hot chocolate sauce. A gluten-free, beautiful chocolate torta. Flan in the back, a Basque cheesecake, and this is a strawberry homemade Twinkie.
Yeah. This churro, I die for. Sara dies for the fast
cheesecake is one of my favorite desserts, and I don't like normal cheesecake. All of it.
So, just casually doing a little wine tasting now. We were talking about the wine tasting. Yeah, so just a casual Wednesday, day in the life. This is what we're doing. Wine, oysters.
A Greek sparkling wine that's
What? Wait.
Oh, baby.
Live scallop. Live scallop sashimi over there. Oh, Sara thinks she loves it. Okay. This is for you. Thanks, Beth. So now we are heading in here and we're going to get some content of the Santa Secret Show.
Whenever you go in there,
Barbie!
Hi Barbie! Hi Barbie!
Hi, Barbie.
The gingerbread man has boobs
Hi, Sophie. Hi, baby. All right, Michael is here. He's eating all the leftovers from the day. Nothing goes wasted. And we made salad for health. Big bite. That is so big. I can't do that. Michael.
eat it.
Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. All right. Daddy, you say goodnight?